King, I'm not retired.
I got my cheese in the front pocket, chicks that you want, drop it to the floor, truck in case I drop it to the floor. Floor poems, no going back to being a broke for a national. I'm national, manifest my thoughts more. So sorry, I ain't giving no apologies. So sorry, science meeting coffee philosophy. Source told me count on me when they try to pounce on me, pledging they amounts on me. Heaven had announced that you touch not Mark Porter. Oh, we gonna cut throats, destiny and karma are the lessons you'll be taught. Both subjects in the crash course if you ever clash, cause I'm a bad shooter. If you thinking you can duck short, throw away your dark thoughts before I make a profit from your pain. I need to pocket it in dinner at your last loss. I can check a low belt, this under the pelvis, directed like I'm Chuck Lord, turn around and sell this. If you ask me Chuck Norris, takes a range of beating, so we turning you to Chuck Norris. End up on the walker, do I sound sorry? I'm gory. Cases on the front story, crazy cause your son probably growing up thinking maybe plotting he can come for me. But this is really fun for me, if you can really answer me. If I ask a really simple question, what you done for me? Ask them what you done for me, then they pull a list up. Choosing to be such a but I'm black, tell them please stop, pissed off. All I need is pretty girls and pistols. That was on the memo, check the mail if it needs your. Born in 88, 8 and 8 will give you 6'4". That was just a feel about it, buried in the 6th floor. Anything perception cause it's power with the 6th floor. 6th floor, put us on a song, we gave it 6 floors. Could have been a dozen cause we can add the 6 more. Fly when I land, I guess the heavens are my hero. My holy is the evil that'll come and touch your ego. Weak more, Havokona heat your cheek roll. Hiding my heavy war artillery in cheap road. I can make it follow my opinion, sucker zip yours. Beat for your TikTok, too qualified hackers. Necessary rhymes doesn't qualify for fly rap. My weapon, my pens justify the fly lethal tools to make inception and expression cause I'm my leader. I said I'm my leader, 5-figure order for my flying misses. I admit it's fine lessons. We on cloud 9 meetings, high maintenance, I'm on my rhyme fever. Try, see the picture, this is rap, why would I leave her? Find a ditch or a pitch, so you cry rivers. This is 100%, cause it can fry livers. Try a little more, you might be climbing, be a high wriggle. Sky eagle, looking from the top, but that's illegal. I meets the illegal, check the wordplay, word was illegal. Free, equal, undiscriminated, and debated.
This is easily your best flow-wise. Technically, it's your best. Specifically the first verse, especially the first verse. You are at your best when you're relaxed, like just vibing. So I don't know whether it's the beat that prompted you to go to take that direction, or you actively went out of your way to do that. But I think you keep doing that. That's where you're really cooler, like kind of so relaxed and just chilling. So if it's the beat, takuzoti unodama Othello type beats, no fun roti reagazi, because this is good.
Yo man, thanks. I'm in retirement, amana. When I retirement, I don't know tamba na pora no beda so gargu home no get it. Yeah, but yeah, man, like that's my type of beats, I guess, as well. And also the relaxation might also be coming from the fact that I'm retired. You know what I mean? So